In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a lost, deleted, or unsaved PowerPoint presentation step by step. If you've ever closed a file without saving, experienced a crash, or accidentally deleted your PPT file, don't worry. PowerPoint has built-in recovery options that can help you get your work back in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You don't need to open any specific file yet, just launch the PowerPoint application itself so we can access the recovery settings from inside the program. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you into what's called the Backstage view. This is where PowerPoint stores all the file management options, including saving, exporting, and recovering documents. After clicking File, look at the menu on the left-hand side. If needed, scroll through the options until you find Info. Go ahead and click on Info. This section shows you details about your current presentations and also includes document management tools. Inside the Info section, look for an option called Manage Presentation. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, it may appear as Manage Document, but the function is the same. Click on Manage Presentation to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Recover Unsaved Presentations. This is the key option that allows you to retrieve files that were closed without being saved properly. As soon as you click Recover Unsaved Presentations, a new folder window will open automatically. This is the Unsaved Presentations folder. PowerPoint automatically stores temporary backup versions of files here in case of crashes or accidental closures. Inside this folder, you'll see a list of unsaved PowerPoint files. They usually have generic names and timestamps, so look carefully at the date and time to find the most recent version of your lost presentation. Select the file you want to recover and click Open. When the file opens, you'll notice a notification bar at the top of the presentation. This message indicates that the file was recovered and gives you the option to save it permanently. Immediately click Save As and choose a secure location on your computer, such as your desktop or Documents folder. Rename the file if necessary and click Save. Now your presentation has been successfully recovered. If you accidentally deleted a saved PowerPoint file instead of closing it unsaved, you can also check your computer's recycle bin. Open the recycle bin from your desktop, search for the file name, right-click on it, and choose Restore. The file will return to its original location. For even better protection in the future, you can enable autosave or check your auto recovery settings. To do this, go back to File, then Options, then Save. Here, you can adjust how frequently PowerPoint automatically saves recovery information. Setting this to every 5 minutes or less can help prevent major data loss. So just to quickly recap, open PowerPoint, click File, go to Info, select Manage Presentation, click Recover Unsaved Presentations, open the file from the Unsaved Presentations folder, and save it immediately. That's it. You now know how to recover a lost, deleted, or unsaved PowerPoint PPT file quickly and easily. If this video helped you recover your presentation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.